and welcome back to Sydney once again, and welcome back to my channel, friends. I hope you all must be doing very good. So today's vlog is going to be very interesting and exciting, guys, because I'm going to take you all to the most iconic place in Sydney. So if you want to experience same as what we experienced today, just stay until the end of this vlog. So our day usually started in our hotel as usual, having breakfast there. So in my holidays, I just love my hotel and its breakfast. That's the best part of my day usually, and the best meal also, I can say. So we are staying in Fullerton, and the breakfast spread here is awesome. It's very nice, very delicious. So after having this yummy food and breakfast, we headed towards our taxi. So our taxi was already there and it was waiting for us. So we hopped in our taxi, and today they has been already been set like where all we are going and which places we are covering today. So it was all set. So we were really happy for the day and ready to explore Sydney once again. So this was the first attraction, or you can say the place that we came today was the Bondi beach, which is one of the famous beach in Sydney, and it's like free of cost. You don't have to pay anything. You can just go there and enjoy the vibe. It was really nice and a very beautiful place, and even you can spend your whole day there. There was a lot of restaurants and cafe. You can walk along the beach side, and you can explore the place. It's really nice and beautiful, and it's very clean also. So after spending few good hours at Bondi Beach, we headed towards our next destination, which was the Rock. So the Rock Market in Sydney, yes. So this is one of the famous original, authentic local market in Sydney, which is situated in the area called the Rock. So this place is at near the CBD, and it's very walkable distance from the city. So you can walk through the circular quay to here, because I think Opera House is very close to this place. So and it's usually open on the weekends, so it's worth checking this place on the weekends. And they are really nice. You will find a lot of food, local food stalls there, and you can have a picnic under the bridge, because the Harbour bridge is just next to it. So it's really nice, and I really love shopping there. I shop little local stuff from there, and you will see a lot of local art and craft there. And this place really has a vibe. And apart from this local market, they also have a lot of cafes and restaurants where you can go and sit and chill around. So this place got a vibe. So if you want to try something local, then this is the place to go. In between, we tried this cane juice, which was amazing, perfect for the kind of a summery day that we had there in April. Perfect. So let's have a quick tour and I'll show you around what's all in there. Let's come with me. Lot of small stalls all over the place there, and I personally like such kind of a place where you get to see local stuff which you don't see in the malls and big places in the same city. So yeah, I really like. So there were like different stalls of different culture as well, and there were a lot of food options which you might love to try. I personally, like, we all loved it, and they had like a sitting area as well where you can sit and your kids can play. They have some arrangement for kids to play, and it's a nice place to just spend few good hours with your family and friends, and you can shop also. So and this was the this was the pizza that we had there, and it was yum, like very yummy. Do try these pizzas if you are there. And yeah, I picked some of the paintings from there, and which was again from the local artists, but they were really simple but really nice and eye-catchy. I might show in some of the other vlogs if I'll get yeah, it's very nice. You will love this place, and I would highly recommend, like, if you're in Sydney and if you're around the weekends there, then do visit this place with your family and friends. You will definitely like it. My son literally loved this place because he got so many things to play with, and it was a good time spent for him and for us also, because it was pleasure watching him play. At the same time, we were eating and enjoying the place. So such vacations are really refreshing for family especially, and I think it's very important for everyone. Like, every family should have some time allocated in the year for the vacation, especially the family vacation, where you get to know each one of us more better. And it's like a really nice time, but you create memories forever, and obviously the time never comes back. So whatever time you get, just spend with your family and friends, because it later on when you will see back, you will feel really nice, like, okay, we did these things and we enjoyed, and these are the memories that we created. So we especially love the vacations, and we make it like every year we should at least do 2 vacations, because it's very important for your mind and body and for your soul as well. So now was the time to leave this place and go check out the most iconic place in Sydney. So stay tuned, guys. And if you're new to my channel and watching this video for the first time, then please do subscribe to my channel and like and comment if you have any questions, and I will definitely answer your queries. And yeah, so stay tuned. I'll be showing you a lot more now. So once you leave the Rock Market, then you get that linking road, or this pathway especially, to go through the circular quay to the Opera House, which you can see on the other side of the river. So yes, so we will walk through it and go to Opera House now. So I'm really excited because since my childhood I have been like, Opera House is the iconic thing. If you talk about Australia, the only thing comes in your mind is Opera House. So since my childhood, like whenever we used to learn in school or wherever we used to say about Australia, it's like only Opera House. So today is the day when I'll be feeling that place, the vibe. So yeah, I was really excited because we are going there for the first time. And while walking through that place, you will be able to see the Harbour Bridge as well, and this is an iconic thing in Sydney. A lot of people do the bridge climbing as well, which is, I personally don't like those things because I don't know swimming, and I really feel scared. I have a phobia of heights. So but if you're comfortable, then a lot of people do those kayak and bridge climbing as well, and it's very popular in Australia among the tourists. So yeah, if you want to explore that, you can easily do that, and it's really nice. I have heard a lot of people saying that it's really like, scary, but it's really adventurous. So you are made to climb on the bridge, on the, like, the edge, the upper edge, and it's like, you will be wearing all those belts and everything. It's all safe, but still, if you have the height phobia, then not very good for you. And yeah, now comes the opera house. You can see the place and the vibe. It's afternoon, but you can see, like, how crowded the place was. Amazing. I could feel the vibe. Oh my god, it was so nice. Though it was so crowded, but still you feel so good about that place. There's something that you feel so good. So yeah, we managed to click a lot of photos there, and I really loved it. I think we got there at the perfect time. It was about sunset, like it was around 3ish, and the sun was right in front of us, and the view was amazing. And that's why it was weekend, and that's why so many people were there. So April is a very touristy season in Australia because of the weather, because it's winter just start here, so it's like a very nice weather to travel within Australia. And but like the view, the place, the vibe, everything was so good. We there was a lot of problem, in the getting the sitting there, because as again, a lot of people were there. So we managed to get some sitting place there, and then I queued up just to get some food and drink for us. And this is basically the opera bar, which is at the basement at the opera house. So here usually people sit and chill, and they just enjoy the vibe there. And the evening, it was around the sunset time, and it was looking so fabulous. I just can't tell you, the video might not be giving the 100% justice to what I was actually feeling that time there, but it was really nice. So I just loved it, and I tried to get the 100% out of it. So we just managed to get some drink and some like fish and chips and some burgers, just to get that sunset view. Was mesmerizing. And even my son, he did a nap in between, but now he was all awake and he was enjoying as well. So yeah, as you can see, the harbor side of this place was so beautiful. There were so many cruises and sailing in the river, because that was obviously the weekend, and people do go there. A lot of people I could see there was not local. A lot of, like, 80% look like a tourist. And I just love the place. And after spending few hours at opera house and binging there, we decided to go to the city, back to a hotel, and from there we would like change our dress and we go to have some authentic desi food. So this time we decided to go at a Pakistani restaurant called Lal Killa, which is really famous in Sydney. I have heard like a lot of time the Pakistani cricket team has gone there to, whenever they went there for cricket match and all, they go there to have their dinner or lunch. So we thought to try, and it was not very far from our hotel, so we just thought to give it a try. So now we are heading back to our hotel, and I must say the feeling I had that night was amazing. I will definitely go back to Sydney like very soon, because I love this place. And yeah, so now we were ready for the dinner, and this is where we went. This is a Pakistani restaurant. Very nice food, very good. And the service was good, the place was nice, and the food was good as well. So give it a try if you are in Sydney and if you are looking for some authentic food, Indian food, or like any desi food. This is the place to go. And yeah, so all about today. And we did tried a lot of food, but I could not shoot a lot because I was a bit tired by then. So yeah, but yeah, I hope you might have enjoyed this vlog. If yes, then do give it a like and comment below. If you have any question regarding Sydney or Melbourne, I'll definitely try to answer your questions. And thanks for supporting my channel and watching my vlog. Thank you, and take very good care of yourself and your family, and I'll see you very soon in my next vlog. Till then, bye bye.